Hello and welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So this is farming for beginners. So I want to show you how to heal a tomato plant that has been destroyed by the rain. So I will show you the methods that I normally use to heal the tomato plant that has been destroyed by the rain. So this is our plant here. So you see it's well developed, it's grown, it's a good healthy plant. So I'll also share the different methods I've been using for this plant to grow this healthy and strong. So as you can see here, it has been destroyed by the rain. So we had heavy rains throughout the course of the week, even the past week. So now I want to share easy methods that I'm using to raise this tomato plant and to heal it. First of all, I'm going to need the organic compost. So I'm going to use a little bit of it. And I'm also going to need this rod here. So I got this rod from an old frame that was destroyed, so I'm going to use it as a support for my tomato plant. Then from there, I'm also going to use a little bit of wiring for my tomato plant. So instead of using the wooden frame, I decided to use this plank here. So I thought it would be more friendly to my plant, because that other one was too thick, so it might have affected the root system of this plant here. So you see this one, it's a little bit thin, and yeah, it did manage to provide, and it will manage to provide support for our tomato plant. So the next step from here is that I'm going to put a little bit of organic compost. So this is an organic compost that I bought from a game store. So I bought it at the game supermarket. So the next step will be to apply more soil to heal it. So when it comes to getting soil, I try my best to use good soil. So this method will provide support to this tomato plant and ensure that it yields also more fruits, as it will be more stabilized. So there we go. Yeah, so this will help our plant to stabilize and to yield more fruits. So as you can see, with this plant, what I've been using, it's organic compost, which I bought in one of the leading retailers. So the retailer, it's game stores, so they sell appliances, groceries, and including composts, seedlings, and all those type of stuff. So yeah, this is our tomato plant. It has been restored. So in a few days, we will be coming to check our tomatoes if they've sprouted from these little branches.